Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Bex Maria. On today's episode, I am collaborating with Makartt. Again, I'm so excited for this video because it's going to be fun. I'm using a bit more products than I did last time. If you haven't watched that video, I have linked it in the description or it'll pop up here. Today we're going with something a bit different, like black and white, gold metallic look. I just wanted to have fun with it really and truly. All the Makartt products that I will be using will be linked in the description. Watch until the end to see how I achieved this look. I'm using the Makartt acrylic powder and this is the color Pinky Promise. I do love how subtle pink it is. It's not too bright, it's not too light. It's just right. I didn't mean to rhyme, but I love how smooth and buttery it is to use as well. I opted for a square shape for these nails and it's like, I think for me this is medium shape as well. This is the finished look. I didn't want to bore you with the whole process. Starting off with the base coat on all the nails just to give me a smooth base. For the thumb, I'm going in with a white French tip. This is basically my method of how I do French tip to get a perfect one in my eyes anyway. It's quite tedious, but I do like it. And what color would you guys have gone for? Let me know in the comments. And then I'm going in with like a zebra print, but I'm using the metallic part. How gorgeous is that? I had to show you a close up. Using Noir, I paint the pinky finger all black. I'll be coming back to this nail shortly, but I do 2 coats full of the black. And using blooming gel, I apply that on one of my middle fingers so I can do croc print. But then look how gorgeous that is when it does bloom. So I do that and let it bloom for maybe a second or 2 before I cure it. On my other middle finger, I am going to apply blooming gel towards the tip of the nails, and then using the black and white gel polish, I am just like freestyling it to create like a marble effect, just mixing them all together. I'll let them bloom for a while, maybe a few seconds, and then cure that straight away as well. On my pointing finger, I am using the silver metallic gel part. I'm just creating some swirls with a fine liner brush and then a dotting tool as well, just creating, go fun with it really. I'm also using the same metallic part to create the swirls on the pinky finger. All the products I have used are from Makartt and they will be linked in the description. I'll seal this all in with the top coat. Because this was a freestyle set, I didn't know how it was going to look at the end. I was just making up ideas as I went along, but I am obsessed with how they look. What was your favorite products that I used? What will you be trying out as well? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more nail educational videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.